Hello guys, you're welcome once again to today's video. Now, this is the opportunity for you to move to Spain in 2026. This is the biggest opportunity that you can use to relocate to Spain if your dream country is Spain. Now, this is a conference which is happening in Spain in 2026. Specifically, the event date for this conference is 15 to 18 January 2026. So we have about only 3 months, 15 to 18 January 2026. And then the location is Madrid, Spain. So if you want to move to Spain in 2026, just stay with me as we dive into this conference. What you need to do in order to get invitation letter to attend this conference in 2026. If today happens to be your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. Kindly share and like this important information for me to assist you with your visa application, with your school application, with conference application, with your job application. Check the description of this video and book the service from there. If you want me to help you with your itinerary, cover letter, visa application guidelines, resume writing, school application, just link up through the shop which is linked to this YouTube account, or check my seller website and book the service from there, or email me through CV say ike@yahoo.com. So without wasting much of your time, let's move straight to the website of this um, conference that I'm talking about. Now, the name of the conference is Youth Global Forum. Youth Global Forum. Now, this conference is happening in Madrid, Spain. So, as I said earlier, now the registration deadline for this conference is on 25th of November 2025. So, today is 1st November 2025. So, you have about 24 days more to submit your application. So, if you're eager to apply, you can do so. Now, event location, as I said, is Madrid, Spain. Event date is 15th of January to 18th of January 2026. Now, registration deadline about the forum. So, if you want to get more information, just go to this website and then you read for more information. Forum team, the team is all about the future, dialogue, action, and impact in the age of uncertainty, artificial intelligence disruption, climate degradation and sustainability trend, economic instability and youth unemployment, erosion of democratic values and participation, mental health and well-being. So there are a lot of information to expect with Youth Global Conference 2026. It's not your typical conference. It's blend high-level policy conversation with real world experience, cultural exchange, and deep collaboration. Okay, cultural evening and global networking. So there are a lot of information that you can get from this conference. So just go to the website and then you submit your application. Now, this is a fully funded conference. Now, fully funded competitive selection um, process. Okay. Now, 16.99 cents dollars for the fully funded. So if you're going to apply for the fully funded, you pay $16.99. Now, these are the things that the round trip airfare is going to be paid. 4 seat shared accommodation, visa support, invitation letter will be given to you. There are a lot of things. Now, partially funded, okay, competitive selection process, which is 13.99 cents dollars. That is what you are going to pay. By this time, you will pay your own flight, okay? Now, 4-star shared accommodation, then 3 nights. Now, visa support, they are going to give you invitation too. Then, forum admission forum admission, which is guaranteed. This is guaranteed. If you pay this, you are guaranteed of getting your invitation. Okay. Now, first come basis. First come, first serve. You are going to pay $499. $499. And they're giving you visa support. You get your invitation too. And then self-funded. Self-funded guaranteed. Self-funded is also guaranteed. You are going to pay $799. Now, round trip, you are going to pay it yourself. and then visa support, they are going to give it to you. Visa invitation letter. Visa invitation letter. Now, with a visa invitation letter, this is how you go about it. You pay £99, $99, sorry, $99. Need a Schengen visa to attend the Youth Global Forum 2026 in Madrid. Get our visa invitation package, which include officially stamped invitation letter from the organizers. Okay, so you register here to fill your details, and then you are good to go. So you can just go to this website, submit your details, and then you're good to join this conference in Spain in 2026. See you in the next video.